we are back on the road. Summer is over, autumn has begun, and it's time for us to head south. We're leaving Cold Springs and the Mud Lake. Those horses are not wild horses, those are ranchers' horses. I don't know if you can see it on here, but up on Peavine, the aspens have started changing color. So we have a long hour drive today.
First day. It's a hellacious drive of 32 miles.
Yeah. However, well, it says 42. This says 38, that says 43.
Okay.
Whatever. But just south of Reno, and gonna chill for a few days before we really start heading south.
This is kind of like a shakedown trip for us, since we have all the work done on the RV and all the work done on the truck this summer.
Yeah.
This way we can check it all out. If something is not like it's supposed to be, or close enough to Reno, we can get it worked on and get it fixed.
Yep, and if we run out of days at the campground, we come back here.
Yep.
If necessary. But, so Wendy, no hoping that things go bad, so we come back. Okay. Alrighty. Bear, you ready to get back on the road again? Oh, there you are in your corner.
Yeah, already.
Kaylee, that's a good girl.
Wow, I don't see any ramp closed signs. I think,
oh, nice.
I think we hit the jackpot.
Yay. They've been doing construction on these interchanges.
Turn left on US 395 South.
And changing out the cattle guards and stuff. And you never know until you get here if the on-ramp is closed. And then you have to take the frontage road all the way down to Border Town to get on the freeway to come all the way back. Very inconvenient. But today we are good to go.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Here is the Washoe Lake State Park camping area. We have stayed here before. This side over here is no utilities, and this side is utilities for $10.
Electric water only.
Yeah, electric water. You have to use the dump station, which we just did on our way in, and we will use it on our way out. And we have a reservation for site 12. Checkout was at 11, is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully it is available.
If not.
There might be some confusion because reservations just started yesterday.
It was first come, first serve.
Yes.
Kitty cat.
Hi, kitty kitty. Aw. Yep. No. Reserved. See? They got little tags.
I think that's the camp post. No. Well, if it's got our name on it, ain't nobody there, I'm pulling in.
Yeah, we'll see. So, I know what this guy's doing. Looking. Oh, it doesn't say names. Well, that one didn't say a name. That. Yeah, some of them. Oh no. Yeah, some of them have names.
There's 12. It's not a name, it's all-
No. Very deceiving.
Jump out for me.
Okay. Why does it say Barnett? Somebody forgot their sign. Okay. I'm getting out. Get out, woman.
Let's just go see if it's on.
Okay. Let's go see if it has our name. Somebody left their name sign here, but this is going to be very tricky because it's a curve. Yep, it's got our name. There we are. All right. Let's see how we're gonna do this. Guess we'll park straight right here. Hum, 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 hum. I'm gonna set the camera down. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, turn off. GoPro, stop recording.
We're here.
Back on the road again.
First leg of the journey is done. Boy, that was a hellacious drive. 44 miles.
Yeah, not bad. So we are not very far from Reno. We're just south of Reno at the Washoe Lake State Park.
Nice
Campground.
Campground.
Yeah.
But it's a state park.
We have stayed here before.
Yeah.
We have an amazing view out our windows.
This is just crazy what we're looking at here.
So we got Slide Mountain, the Sierras all around there.
You can barely
Washoe Lake.
barely see Washoe Lake off
Yep.
in the distance right there.
Yep.
I mean,
And-
it's close. It's within walking distance.
Oh yeah, we've done that.
We've
before.
done that. We've done that before.
We like
this is-
staying on the outside part of the loop. That way we've got that view.
But this is our yard.
Yeah, look at their site.
This is nice. Private, quiet.
Yeah, it was really quiet last night. Have a covered picnic table.
Nice picnic table. Huge. If you want to burn, I
Oh,
guess
yep.
you can. I don't think there's a fire ban.
I don't either. So very, very nice. For our first leg, kind of a shakedown, decompress, stay. So everything went well coming here.
Everything went well except those pins.
Oh yeah, we
the
had a
new-
little issue.
The new landing jack pins on the front, we had an issue with
Yeah.
the passenger side one. But hey, guess who didn't stress out and
Nobody
just
did.
got it fixed?
Nobody did. He said, we've got a little issue.
This
So,
one did.
Yeah, we were both fine. It's like, okay, we just figured it fixed.
So no problem at all. So we're here for a
Yay.
week.
We like that. Woohoo! Bear's comfy.
Bear likes it.
In the shade. We're gonna go for a walk.
New smells, huh? Let's go. While we're here at Washoe Lake State Park, there is a hand glider over there up against the mountain. I know it's a hand glider. It's not a paraglider. Is that what you call them? Paraglider? Because there's only one. So.
Whatever you say.
What?
I said whatever you say.
Well, if there was two of them coming down, I'd say, look, paragliders. If you know, you know.
Take your banner